it's the job of pushing the knob. That sort of responsibility you draw straws for if you're mad enough. There's always the sun. There's always the sun.